I'm going to be doing this hairstyle absolutely with no gel. So first, what you need is water. And I promise your hair is going to lay flat. Yes, your 4C hair. So after spraying my hair with water, I had to detangle. There's no way you can achieve your hair being that flat without you detangling properly. Then you have to have like this center pattern. Well, it has to be straight if you can get it to be straight. Please get it to be straight, but in my case, this is what I could do. Then this video is self-explanatory. I don't even think I need a voiceover for this, so let me just keep quiet for now. So yes, you need a detangling brush for this. If you cannot get a detangling brush, you can use all this normal brush, but make sure that you use brush. It will help a lot in flattening your hair and getting all your hairs together, all the strands together. So please use a brush. Meanwhile, can you guys see that my hair is growing? Can you see the thickness? Goodness God, I'm so in love with my hair, honestly, and the fact that it has been cooperating lately, the length, the growth, the thickness, I'm just so in love with it, honestly. Guys, if you have been missing my updates on hair growth practices that you can do, you might want to check my previous videos or check the link, check the descriptions. You will see hairstyles and you will see hair care tips that I've been incorporating into my hair care routine lately, and it has been working, guys. So one of the things that I also encourage is doing your hair in sections. If you have fussy hair, you cannot afford not to. I don't even know if that two negatives is positive right now. But all I'm saying is to get your hair or to get desired results, whether you are washing, whether you are trying to slick down your hair, even if you are going to use gel, you get better results when you do your hair in sections. There's no doubt about it. Have you guys seen that I've switched my combs? Yeah, I did. So yeah, and I've not stopped using water. So I have this spray gel that's been sitting in my trolley for a while, and I said, oh, since I don't have gel in this house, let me see if I can use this for my edges, So I just use it to lay my edges, and that's it. My hair doesn't have gel in it. My hair cannot undo gel right now, honestly. So even if I wanted to, I don't have it. And my hair doesn't want it right now, so I'm just going to do the edges thing. And satin scarf to the rescue actually. So you guys, if you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video to encourage ourselves. And yes guys, here is the verse of the day. Now I'm done with my makeup and the hair has been able to sit for like less than an hour, and this is what it looks like, guys. See, the edges is laid and the hair is also laid, right? What do you think? Let me know. I always want to know what you guys think, honestly. I just wish you tell me what you think in the comment section. And yes, before I forget, that like button is there so that you can use it. So please like this video and share it to your natural hair girlies. And I will make sure that I see you in my next one. I love you and I'm here to serve you. Bye.